What's going on? It's your boy Solo in the building. Today I'm gonna actually show you guys how you can trade crypto literally using your phone. Currently I have a strategy here on my phone, but I'm actually going to show you me trading this live, so y'all can see exactly how we was able to manage this. Now literally trading this live on through my phone. This is something I teach in my courses and also even in my YouTube channel. So make sure y'all subscribe, comment, and like your boy YouTube videos and YouTube page in general, because we are going to be dropping so much gems on everything, on how to hustle, how to find side hustles, how to mix and master. If y'all don't know, I am a singer, songwriter, producer, but I also do a lot of other things. I'm an entrepreneur. Along that, I also like to make money through the crib. Man, I am my own boss now. So that being said, I'm gonna show you guys this, but before we go into it, I just want to
Alright, man, so I'm gonna show y'all my strategy. This is something that y'all can use to start making money specifically on your phone trading crypto. So right now, let me just show you the profit for today, just trading all crypto. So right now I'm actually up $646.49 for the day trading crypto. Today is actually Friday. Let me show you guys. Today is Friday the 5th. That's my son, by the way. It's Friday the 5th. So markets is closed, but crypto is always open 24/7. I also will show you guys that this is a real account, as you see clearly, KOT Forex. If you guys want that broker, click the link down below. You can trade over the weekends with this broker for sure. So now, before we get into it, let's talk over risk management. Now, right now, I am currently in USD CAD, but markets is closed, so obviously I can't close out in this trade. So my account is currently, I would say, roughly about $4 grand. So me trading, especially Bitcoin at 90 cents, is definitely was risking quite a bit. But however, just because I already knew the direction of the market and I understand where it's going and heading, I was able to catch that, as you guys see here, and it's still booming up, which I kind of missed out because my TP was actually right up here. That's where my TP was originally at. It's coming there. So guess what? I am going to scalp this to the upside, but before I scalp, I need a pullback. All right. Now, this is one of my strategies that I do teach in my YouTube and also in my courses, but it's a simple strategy, y'all. Once you know the direction of the market, you can just scalp this all night and all day long. All right. So let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum usually essentially move the same. I am actually going to get in for a quick sell. And then we're going to take this to this level here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in for a quick sell for $1. Y'all know how that can be. And then let's move. I'm actually put a TP just to have one, just in case. 1703.55. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna take it all the way down here, to be honest with y'all, but I'm gonna just be taking a little profit as it go, kind of like what y'all see here. Especially the $30, the $8, $76, $62. I'm gonna just be taking a little profit. So as y'all see, I'm looking in a 1 minute time frame to see what's going on. I do know that it is going to pull back, so I will be looking on a pullback to this area here. And then if I get that pullback, I'm actually entering another trade for another sell to this level down here, which will be here where my TP is currently at. So this is what we're looking for Ethereum. And then Bitcoin is just booming, y'all. So now it looks like we're getting selling opportunities, but I am not interested yet for a sell, to be honest with you, with Bitcoin. I just want to see some more reaction to the downside before I continue to sell this one. So as y'all see that pullback, I'm just going to show you what that pullback can cost you if you don't have the amount. That's why you need to make sure you have proper risk management while trading pairs like these. So I'm just scalping it, y'all. I'm scalping it. So essentially I will always add a stop, but since I'm scalping this and I'm going to focus on this, I'm just going to watch this one closely. All right. But I am looking on it to come to that previous low, which is here, right here, which is this area here. I can't even talk today. And I will be potentially looking on some move to the downside if I can catch it. If not, then like what I said, I should be anticipating on the up move. But just seeing that it's pretty much overbought, essentially, there's no reason for me to pretty much look for buying setups right now at this moment. So yeah, I'll check back with y'all and we'll look at this to see where we at with that. All right, so I'm back. I'm about to enter in another trade here. So I'm basically in 2 trades now. Like I said, I am looking to write it down more. As you guys see, this is where we're at. And then my goal probably is to do like 1,000 if I can. If not, I'm cool with what I already made for the day, to be real with y'all. Just trading crypto along, I'm perfectly fine with this amount. So we're just going to ride this all the way down if we can. I'm just anticipating on it to ride down, and then we're just going to start taking TPs and TPs and TPs and TPs like crazy, y'all. As you see, it's just booming. As you see, that's booming, that's booming. Going a 1 minute time frame to see what's going on. Now, for those that don't know how I trade, I use Fibonacci a lot. So I'm gonna take my Fibonacci, draw to here to here. As you see, his TP. So let's take profit. I'm cool with that, baby. Boom and boom, $62 right there. Look at that. Bada boom. We at $700 for the day. I'm still looking on it to come down to that final TP area. No lie at all. To be real with y'all, because in a 1 hour time frame, look what we got. Huge engulfing candle. We got a double top. Y'all know how I trade, man. Keep it very simple. Keep it straight to the point. So what I'm going to do, I never really essentially sell when prices like this. I'm going to tell y'all right now, if y'all was to sell here and price was to pull all the way up here, you would be like, what? Like literally, bro, you gonna go crazy. You don't want that. So I'm being real with y'all. Like, I wait on pullbacks. You know, I have patience, and I wouldn't mind if I miss out on a trade. I miss out. I'm scalping, y'all. Scalping, you got so many opportunity to make money. So don't feel discouraged if you miss out on one trade, because like what I said, remember, I'm in a 1 hour time frame. I'm seeing that we get in the double top, but that don't mean we got a double top yet until it's completely formed. Go back to Ethereum and see what we got going on. And that's, y'all, this is booming. Like, that's a little pullback right there. So I'm going to enter in the market. Bada boom. Kind of entering a little late, but like what I said, I'm looking at the bigger picture. Essentially, this is really what my TP is going to be at right here. So like, if I say 18, what is it, 1684? Let's do 1684. I don't even know why I do that. I'm gonna just keep it open because I'm literally focusing on this one. As you guys see, this is a big draw pull to the downside, so I'm gonna get out because it just hit my support. It just hit my support. I'm gonna show you where that support is at. Right here. Boom. That's a support. That's a support, and this is a support. So now, since it hit that support, I will hope to get some more pull to the upside like that. And if I do, we're going to take that. Honestly, we probably might not get it there. We might get it here. And if I get that final pull, I'm going to go ahead and take that. All right, y'all. So this move right here, I'm going to look in the 5 minute time frame. As you guys see, wow, that just happened too fast. But I'm going to enter in for $1, right? And then go back in a 1 minute time frame. I'm going to wait on a quick pullback. If I can catch it, and I'll probably get in another lot. And then we will ride this to the downside. I'm kind of iffy on this one because of the simple fact. Let me actually see. It actually didn't give me my engulfing candle anyway, so I'm not tripping at all. But I think this may consolidate for a bit just because of that engulfing candle. And not really an engulfing candle, but in a 1 minute it is. But here we have this wick. So I want to see what this candle is going to give me, and then maybe I will get in for another lot. So look at that. Let's go ahead and hop in the market. Boom. And then we're going to take this one, go in a 15 minute time frame. Look where we're taking this one to in these areas here, this area here. So I'm gonna ride it to this area right here. So let's do a TP at 169660. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. It's going in our favor. So I'm actually going to take TP now. And then we just ride that. Boom. I'm scalping, y'all. I am literally scalping. So yeah, 800. Man, this is my goal, man. Let's try to hit this, y'all. So I'm actually gonna re-get in now, looking at the 1 minute. And now, one thing that I am going to highly recommend and suggest, if market is hitting a support area and it's the first time hitting it, be cautious because it could bounce back up to this area here. So if you guys have the leverage, the account size, this shouldn't be an issue with you, because at the end of the day, you're still going to make money. So just keep that in mind. You still going to make money, so just keep that in mind. All right. Otherwise, I'm still looking at the bigger picture, And I thought I had entered at TP, but I guess I didn't because I forgot we just got in another trade. But I'm gonna remove this one because I am interested in this move right here. I would rather be safe than sorry. And then two, as you guys see, look, we're negative 73 bucks right now. Let me go on a 1 minute time frame because we got this drawdown that I literally just told you guys it was going to happen. And I am going to get back in the market again. So for my impatient people that love to trade and over risk their account, if y'all trade like this is the reason why y'all losing, because y'all getting in when price is already down, and y'all need to wait on the pullback. The only problem is y'all don't want to wait on the pullback, and y'all enter and y'all get mad when it pulls back, and then you've been like, dang it, I lost money, I got out, it took me out, or I'm getting out, or here's my stop loss, right? You don't need to have that mentality. So your mentality should be wait on the retest, and you get in for the sell after you know what market is at. So we know that market is still a downtrend. I'm just honestly just sitting here playing with it and see what we can get. I'm trying to get another move somewhere in this area here. If I can get, actually kind of got this long wick here, so I think I'm gonna get in another candle, but I just need to see what that next candle is going to do. If the candle is honestly, it depends on the next candle. If the candle is going to be somewhere here, I'm going to get in a smaller lot, to be honest, because I don't like to have the same $1 lots in the same area. That makes no sense to me. So I will be getting a smaller lot, but that's just how I trade, y'all. Y'all can trade different ways, entering lots in different ways. That's how I do it. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna let y'all know what happens next. All right, guys, so we back. Look at this engulfing candle. Should I enter? Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and enter. Since it's not that far out from the other entry, I'm gonna just go ahead and do $1 for this one. And then we're just going to ride this down and see what we get. I think honestly, let me double check. Yeah, I'm literally going to take it to 1685, or hold on, let me look, 1685.05. Look at that, bada boom. And man, I'm just scalping this away, y'all. Look at that. Boom. Look at that, man. I'm taking TP now. I'm cool with the $100 because we just made our goal, I think, for the day. Yo, I'm done, man. I'm done. This video, man, if y'all not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because y'all just literally seen how I scalp on a 1 minute trading crypto. If y'all want the strategy, like what I said, y'all can follow me on YouTube. I give out a little bit on YouTube, but of course I gotta let y'all know that if y'all not a part of the membership, join it. But only not that, man, just if y'all want trade, if y'all not trading crypto and y'all want to trade crypto, you guys can trade crypto with the broker I use. Like what I said, this is a real account. I am still in this trade and I can't get out. I wish I can, but I can't because the market is closed for that. But crypto is open. So another thing, guys, if you want to get back in the market again, you just gotta wait on the pullback. Once you get the pullback, you can still ride it down to what was that level that we actually put, which is here. You can still take it to that level, right? So other than that, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm literally done trading crypto for today. I'm cool with my $1,000 trading crypto. That's my goal for crypto, and I'm not going to do anything else. All right, other than that, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. Peace and love. Your boy Solo out. Let's get it, baby.